Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm just gonna be doing a high puff with the bangs in the front. So I'll just quickly take off my nana. I'll just undo my plaits and then detangle my hair with my hands, and then I'll use a bit of comb there and there. So you guys know how much I love mixing things, and you guys know that I have been mixing my spray, and I've been using it, and I've also been mixing shea butter as well with some oils. So I thought to myself, why not start my own hair product? So the whole year during this whole pandemic, I've been very busy. I've been busy researching, speaking to some chemists as well, to just come up with my own hair product that is good for natural hair, that is organic. So I'm so happy to tell you guys that I have my own hair products now. I'm done with my whipped shea butter, and I'm busy with the oils and then the spray as well, because those are the three things that have been working very well for the growth of my hair. So you guys can check my page. It's underscore crowned A if you guys want to order. So you guys can just check it out on Instagram, also on Facebook as well. Your support will be much appreciated. So I've been using this on my hair, and you guys know that, and I've been getting a lot of response from you guys saying that the mixture is working for some of you guys. I don't know about others, but a lot of people gave me a positive response. So this is my crown. So I'll just start by moisturizing my hair with shea butter. This is the shea butter I'm using. It does not have a label for now. So I'll just be taking a little bit of it. This is how it looks. And then I'll just moisturize my hair. Then I'll pull out a section that I want to use as the bangs. I won't use much section. So first off, I'm just gonna apply my spray here on this hair, on this part, and then apply my shea butter, and then I will do twist before I do the bun at the back. If you're someone who wants to do this hairstyle, I'd advise that you do the twist before you sleep in the front, so that you won't have to do it in the morning. But if you just want to do it maybe for a late night event, you can do this. It's all up to you. And now I'm going to be using this. This is my shoelace because I can't find my wool, so I'm going to be using this. So what you do is you pull out your hair, also at the back. I don't know if it's showing. I don't know if you guys saw that, but this is what you do. You can tie it, or you can just wrap it around and put it under your first tie or whatever that is. Okay. Okay, I'm using my magic now, so. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope that you will try and do this nice look, and also you will definitely come back for more videos. And to those who are watching and have not subscribed, why not? Like, why not? Please do hit that subscribe button. Love you guys.